Hello, my friends, my dear students, and welcome back to another lesson. It's gonna be about 4C from Unit 4. A new experience. A new experience. We have here some vocabulary and also a grammar point. Let's see. Match the pictures with the activities, then listen and check your answers. Right? Ready? Okay. Here we have the actions. Here we have the pictures. The first one is sailing. Sailing, sailing, sailing. Yeah. Who will answer? Good. Number 3, sailing by boat. Number 2, surfing. Surfing. Here, 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 here. Look. Yeah, good. Number 5, sailing, surfing. Wind surfing. Wind surfing. It will be that one, or that one, or even that one. Number 4, let's see. Oh, number 2 is the wind, represented by the boat. There's a slide that goes against the wind. Scuba diving. Scuba diving. It might be. Let's see if we're right. So that's not good. Rock climbing. Rock climbing. Yeah, it's my turn. Number 6, I'm right. Skiing. Skiing. That one. That's right. Last one, water skiing. Water skiing. This is the last one. Let's see. Number 4. So let's read them again. Sailing, surfing, windsurfing, scuba diving, rock climbing, skiing, water skiing. Water skiing, right? Let's move to point number 2. Yeah, read. Listen and read. Is the writer of the diary enjoying his holiday? Is the writer of the diary enjoys his holiday or not? My scuba diving adventure. Day 1, Kadovo. Day 2, Eagle Rock. It's a reading activity. Let's see. We finally arrived in the soft coral capital of the world, Fuji. Every scuba diver's dream. I got all my equipment ready and went for my first dive in the ocean. It was an amazing experience. Fish here are more colorful and more beautiful than fish in lakes. Here, number 2, day 2, Eagle Rock. We explored the great astrolabe reef for hours. The water wasn't very warm and it was colder than yesterday, but there were more fish and corals, and it was incredible. Day 3, sea finale and fun time. The water was beautiful indigo color, and it was quite deep. We went down to 20 meters and we saw a school of barracuda. I think they are uglier than sharks, but likely they are not dangerous. Fun time. Our instructor organized a barbecue at the beach for us this evening. and we had great time. I'm sad to leave this place in 2 days. Scuba diving holidays are very cheap, but they are definitely worth it. Right? So it's your turn now to read again and write T or F. This is the writer's first ocean scuba diving trip. I think it's not true. The water on day 1 was warmer than on day 2. False, definitely. False. Okay. The writer thinks that the barracuda, sorry, are beautiful fish. False. They had a barbecue on the last evening of their trip. Day 3. The writer thinks scuba diving holidays are a bit expensive. Yeah, he's sure about it. Oh yeah, comparative forms. This is a grammar point I highlighted and I told you at the beginning of the class time. Using comparative. Let's see. When you compare an adjective, when two things have the same adjective, and you want to compare between them, what can you say? Here we have the Atlantic Ocean and we have the Pacific Ocean. Okay, both are deep, but one Pacific Ocean is very deep, very deep. Atlantic Ocean is not deep in comparison with the Pacific Ocean. So I say the Pacific Ocean is deeper than the Atlantic Ocean. If we have two vehicles, right? We have a bus and we have a car. Both are big, but the bus is bigger than the car, right? In the exam I got 20 out of 20 and my friend got 19 out of 20, so I am better than him and he is worse than me. Okay, so we use a comparative form of adjectives when we compare two people, two animals, two things. We use the superlative form for adjectives when we compare one person, one animal, one thing with a lot, with more than two of the same kind. Let's look at the formation. Adjective and we add er. Okay, John is older than Peter. So we add er and then, right? But if the adjective is more than 2 syllables, like expensive, difficult, extraordinary, any adjective expensive is very long adjective. So we put more, then we write the adjective, after that we write than. Let's see, my watch is more expensive than Diana's. I can't say my watch is expensiver than. It's wrong. Why? Because the adjective is very long. Expensive, 3 syllables. Okay, superlative. The adjective and we add est. Or when the adjective becomes very long or more than 2 syllables, we say the most, then the adjective. Let's have a look. John is the, okay, tall, est, tallest what? Tallest boy in his class. Here, this watch is The most. Don't add est because expensive is very long adjective. The most expensive of all, right? All one syllable and most two syllables adjective. Take er in comparative and est in superlative. Clean becomes cleaner and the cleanest. Clever, cleverer, the cleverest. One syllable adjective ending in e, take only r and st. Like nice, we add only r. The nicest, we add st. One syllable adjectives ending in one vowel plus one consonant doubles the consonant before the er or ast. Hot becomes hotter, the hottest. Adjectives endings in a consonant plus y. Drop the y and take the ier or ist. Like easy becomes easier, in superlative the easiest. Adjectives with three or more syllables and some two-syllable adjectives take more plus adjective or most plus adjective. Expensive becomes more expensive, the most expensive. Careful, more careful, the most careful. But here irregular, comparative, and superlative adjectives like good, bad, many, and much. Good becomes better, and superlative becomes the best. Bad becomes worse, and the superlative becomes the worst. Many and much becomes more, many and much become more, and the most. Right? It's time for exercise. Bill is than, so don't write est, only er. Taller than. His brother, only one. I like Beth's room because it is bigger than my room. Comparative, bigger than. My sister is than, lazier than. Right? Tigers are beautiful than, more beautiful because it is a long adjective. Killer is than, worse than. I think skiing is than, long adjective, so put more. Yeah, very good. So by this we end our lesson today. I hope you understood something about the comparative and superlative. Try to answer the questions in the workbook concerning 4C. Okay, and answer my worksheet that I upload on LMS. Goodbye for now.